You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary and brand names too. Stay tuned to learn more. Knicker is how it's said in British English. Knicker. Stress on the first syllable, 2 syllables. In American English, in the US, it's pronounced rather as knicker. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.